honey into this room. Yes, and if this kind of format will be safe, actually, this kind of format will be a little special in plastic. This part will have an empty hole here. In the middle of it, we will need to fill some water inside. Since, since the honey is a very special product, it will really take when it in the normal temperature. So we need to warm it in and stir it to make it in a high temperature and and but for the honey we do not have you to warming the honey right this may burn it. So it is not good for the honey. So we use the water to warm it. Yes, and here we can see this part actually without the pipe for the heating process in it. So some kind of a time may ask if we could change the way how we do. Actually in here we use the magic tool to weigh the honey. So in this part of thinking we can change different kinds of weight here. And this type of machine will customize according to the weight provided us. So you can have a limit change on here. And after weighing, it will come into this part. Here we have the time to feed the honey inside this bag. And also, all of our machine is made of stainless steel free of wood. Yeah, stainless steel free of wood. Also, you can easily to remove this kind of part to clean it. Yeah, you can very easy to remove it and clean it, and we will have a floor and a click here you can remove. And after this filling it, it will come into the bag. So actually, open the machine and see. And here we have our filling card here. Here we have our filling card. Yes. And here also our filling card. And here is the cutting part. Since this machine used for the black part, so we will need the extra cutting device here from this machine. Yes. And in the left side in here, we will have our master screen. Actually, here is our control panel. In here, in this touch screen, actually we can change the back speed, the packet speed here, and the back length here. So this machine is very multifunctional for us to using it. The machine in this machine can actually 30 to 80 bags per minute. It is a very high speed. Imagine that if you use the labor to help you to produce 30 to 80 bags, I think it may be about 5 minutes. So actually one machine can help you to save the labor force. Also can help you to increase your productivity. And also here we can change any parameter here. Since the machine is working with different parts, so we would better to make the machine much more easy to use if you change parameter. However, all the parameters we will help you to set it before shipping the machine, and all the parameters it will be set according to your product. So when you use this machine, when you're going to buy this machine, you would better to tell us what kind of product you're going to buy, how many flags is it, and what is the fair width and the bad line. And also if you have the packing material like the beam, in this machine we can use aluminum composite beam here. But also if you want to pack the liquid, we will suggest you to use the nylon composite beam. And also other kind of composite beam is no problem. All of these material will be worked in this machine. But according to your product need, product structure, we will suggest you to use different type of composite beam. Yes. So in here is the control panel, and in here we have the temperature controller. We will control different kind of temperature here. The temperature will be set according to your beam and clothing. Like if your different thickness of the beam, the temperature is set will be a little bit different. And here we will have temperature and the set temperature. In here, we have our set temperature here like 165 degrees. So then the current temperature after the set temperature, it will have enough temperatures here. So we can going to use this machine. Just press the start button and the whole machine can use. Also, as you can see, in here we have two temperature table. One is for the vertical cylinder. One is for the horizontal cylinder. And in here we will control all the machine, on or off here, and the power which will rotate in this part. And here we have our emergency button here. And all of our machine were made of the stainless steel 304. So it is very quick grade. But if you want to pack some medical products, actually we can help you to change it, the counterpart, into 316. 316. Much more stainless steel and not easy to get rid of. But however, usually 304 is enough for our current uses on the food grade industry. Yes, and here in this machine, this type of part is usually in working. So in this part, actually it is aluminum. Aluminum not easy to get loose. Yes, and also it will not rivalize for this part to work. It's not easy to change the shape on this type of structure. In this part, it's also the liquid packaging machine. However, we see the shape made will be a little bit different. So actually, this machine will much more sharper. Also, in the liquid pump part, it will be a little bit different. So actually, all of our machine making we will customize according to your product. But if you want to pack the honey and the water, actually, its liquidity is very different. So the pump we equip with you will be a little bit different. And this is the magnetic liquid filling machine, liquid pump here. So it is very suitable for the liquid product in this machine. Yes, and also in this machine, if you want to change the weight of the water, so we need to change the filling time here. Here we have the filling time and the waiting time in the counter here. We can change the weight in here. So actually the weighing method of them will be a little bit. So after we also come to the platform. This part is the platform. The platform is reached for forming the fat. And this part is also customized according to the weight you provide us. Like if I want to make 5 cm fat. So actually the fin width, if you want to make the free sizes in this machine, it is 10 cm. So this former we will have to make in the 10 cm. So how about we will want to make it in the 20 cm? So this kind of former we will help you to customize 20 cm. And if you want to make these two weights in the same machine, we will need to change this form. However, it is very easy for us to change. Here we have two screws. We just remove it and pull out the transformer. It's okay for this machine. Yes. And here is the part of the core film structure. We will install the film here. And here it will have a push up and come through into the platform. And this is the date printer, which is automatically print the production day and expiration day here. And also it is consumable is the ribbon. So we will need to change it after a use out. So also after forming, it will come into the sewing and the cutting part. And actually, in this machine, it has just one forming part. Is this one. This is the forming part, and here is the cutting part. Yes, extra cutting part will make the fat much more. And also in here is the smart start screen and the temperature controller. And also after the bag is complete, it will come out in this finished product conveyor. This machine, this machine also have a conveyor. So let's see. Can you show us our working time? Yes, actually we can help you to show it. However, the machine will need to wait some time to wait the temperature. So if you want to see our working video, it would be better to send you a video by WhatsApp or the WeChat. You could have a comment in our library room or personal to test our college. Yes. So follow our company and follow our library room and test us. And we will send you the working video on this machine. If you want to make a different product like you can contact us if you want a working live video and we will send you that. And also follow our live streaming. Okay. And we will move to the next machine. Yes. And here is also a liquid pack machine. However, this machine it is not to make a sketch. It is made a honey spoon. And no matter you listen the honey spoon before, this is the honey spoon. In this machine, it will feed honey into this spoon and will be happy to seal it. Yes, happy to seal it. So actually, in this kind of package shape, it will be very easy for us to carry out. Yes, like in your office, go out for picnic, honey. You could just tear this leaf and put the spoon into the water. Beautiful and tasty food, honey will come out. So in this machine, how is first step? In the first step,
我中意呢個。
就這呢個。
係啦。
Thank you for interesting in our machine and like our machine. So if you want a working video on this kind of machine, you can test us. Yes, test us. And so now I'm going to introduce you the working step in here. Actually, in all our machine, it will have a smart touchscreen. Also, it will have a smart touchscreen and a temperature controller. Also, all of our machine will control by PLC. If you are the new beginner, the PLC will much more easy for you to use it. Since actually all the machine, when you have the problem with the machine, you can easy to identify the problem with the machine with the PLC system. It is much easier for us to use it. Yes. And in here we have the emergency button, and here is the temperature controller. So in the next step, the first step on this machine, we need to, when we receive this machine and use this machine, we need to feed the spoon in here. You can see the spoon will feed in here. Since this part is automatic spoons loader here, and this part is customized according to your spoon shape. So after it feeds into the mold, here we have a container. Have a spoon container which specially customized according to your spoon shape. Like the spoon, like this kind of spoon in market, they have different kind of popular weight here. Like 6 grams, 10 grams, 12 grams, 18 grams, 15 grams, or 20 grams. It's a very popular weight for this kind of spoon. And its size will be a little bit different. So you could tell us what kind of, how many grams you want to pack in the spoon. We will help you to customize it in this kind of container and all of the mold. So after it feeds into the mold, it will come into the next process. So in the next process is the feeding part. Here is the feeding part. Actually, we could feed the honey inside this Soonfer. Feed in here. Inside have a stir have a warming device. Yes, we will not warm in the honey directly, but the water. Which part to feed the water? We can see. In here we have a hole. In here we have a hole. We will feed the water inside. After the water level is up to this kind of level, is enough. And then we feed the honey. Yes, this is the warming function for the water. Use the water bomb to warm the honey directly so it will not damage the honey. Yes, after it will filling in this part. It will filling in this part of the honey. And this machine is too late, so the speed will much more faster. So if you want to change the honey weight, actually in here we have this part. You can rotate this part to change the honey weight in here. And also you can see here, inside of our machine is very clean and simple, so it will do not cause some problem when we use the machine. We buy the screen from you or a different supplier, and can you customize the logo of the cover for the screen? Okay. Thank you for your askings. Actually, you could buy the screens from us. We could provide you the screen, different type of screen. You could tell us what grams you want. We could help you to provide the machine and the raw material like the spoon and the lid on it. And your second question is, can we help you to customize the logo on the top, right? Like this kind of stick. Actually, we can have three designers that help you to design your logo and design on this stick and help you to clean it. Okay. Okay. So if you're interested in this machine, you could contact us and follow our letter mail. Yes. And after the filling process, in here is the lid placing part. Here is the lid placing part. We'll place the lid here, and here we have a vacuum to put the lid in the spoon, on the top of the spoon. Yes. And after placing it in here, we have a steering part. Here use the side cylinder to steering the spoon. And this part actually we can see down part. You can see it has, and here actually this part is customized also in your spoon side. So if you are the new beginner but in your market different kind of way of buy one machine. But you are the new beginner, you don't have so much investment here. Actually, you could also choose to use in the same machine. But we will need to change the mold. But it will be much more complex if you change the mold. So we will not suggest our client to use different kind of weight in the same machine and different kind of size. Yes, different kind of size. Yes, as you can see, all of our mold is customized according to the screen size. So it is very important. Okay, so to the next process, I'm going to introduce you